Now, if you are running Google Ads and you would like a free audit of your Google Ads account, then get in touch with me. We offer a free 30-minute, no obligation um, consultation, and we'll go through your Google Ads audit, where I'll go through with you some tips and workflow techniques which we use in our agency to help our clients' accounts and also our own campaigns to run profitably. And we go through all the stuffs like how to use different mesh types, the bidding strategies, how to use negative keywords, see how the ads are performing, pretty much all the stuff which we do on a day-to-day basis when running an account. So you can get in touch for the audit as well.